Hello guys, welcome to Harmony Store. On today's tech review, I will be revealing the Lenovo Legion 5. Why I'm so much in love with the Lenovo Legion 5, it's because of the unique design that this PC comes with. So if you're a gamer, if you're a content creator, a person that is in need of high performance laptop, you just need a laptop that is pretty fast. You don't have to think of another laptop. Your best bet laptop is Lenovo Legion 5. So this Lenovo Legion 5 is built out of plastic. The design, texture, all the made is made out of plastic. It's 15.6 screen inches, and this the laptop is unique in a kind of way that it doesn't look bogus, it doesn't look heavy, it doesn't look like your everyday gaming PC, whereby when you see a gaming PC, you first get an attraction to it that, oh, this laptop is bogus, this definitely look like a gaming PC. But the Lenovo Legion 5, it's not it at all. You really not know that it's a gaming laptop. It comes with the Lenovo design by the downside of it, and it has a big Legion design by the other side of it. So on getting this laptop, you're definitely going to enjoy whatever content you are going to be creating on it. So Lenovo Legion 5 display is a 15.6 screen size. It's a 9020 by 1080 IPS with a refresh rate of 65 Hz. So it has a numeric keypad, a full keypad and a numeric keypad as well. And the keypad comes with Rgb lighting. So when you're working on this laptop, maybe in the dark, it has this lit keyboard that comes with a red, green, and different colors background light that it comes with. Lenovo Legion 5 processing comes with a Intel Core i7 12th generation processor. The Lenovo Legion 5 is still in the 12th generation and there is no 13th generation yet. So it comes with dedicated graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 has a 6 GB inbuilt dedicated graphics in it. So for gamers, for professionals, for architectural designs. So be rest assured that with your 6 GB dedicated graphics that these laptops come with, your rendering is going to be very superb. And don't forget about your 65 Hz refresh rate that this comes with. The battery life is about 6 to 7 hours, depending on what you are currently running on. If you are into video, you definitely know that it's going to reduce. If it's just word processing, depends on what you are running on this, determine the battery capacity. Particular laptop that we're talking about doesn't come with Windows Hello, so you don't have your face recognition on it. It doesn't come with fingerprint. So, but what you are going to enjoy with this is complete connectivity. Unlike all those ones that come with one Type-C, one USB, at times no HDMI. This comes with the complete connectivity. So come with me, you will see the HDMI, come with 3 USB ports, and the AC adapter, that's the charger for this, is as well a USB port, not a Type-C. So you have your USB Type-C here for you to charge your phone or for you to charge your power bank. And most laptop doesn't have these guys anymore, especially 11th generation to 12th generation. But on Lenovo Legion 5, so far it's a gaming PC, come with LAN port. So your LAN port, if your Wi-Fi is not strong enough, you can connect your RJ45 to have a fast speed connectivity to it. So we have 2 Type-C at the other side of it, and you still have your USB and audio jack with it. So unlike the contemporary PC that always have their webcam lock in front of this, the webcam lock of the Lenovo Legion 5 is by the side. So if you want to lock your webcam, there is a button by the side of it whereby you can lock it and put it on lock. Lenovo Legion 5, it's an entry level to the gaming PC world, because we have the Core i9. Lenovo looks for a way whereby they makes it are interesting. They mix all the specification that you all want in your Republic of Gamers, in your Omen. They put everything in your Legion 5 for you and at an affordable price, just for you to enjoy all the quality of those in your Lenovo. If you are thinking of a place to get this PC, don't forget Harmony Store sells laptop, printers. We are into anything gadget, so you can find this Lenovo Legion 5 laptop in any of the Harmony stores in Nigeria. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. And until the next video, see you again. Peace.